Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to look at our SPOUR review for Monday. Let's look at the first question. It says, how many tens are there in 160? And there are, if you look at the tens place right there are 6 tens. We have 106 tens. Counting forward by fives. We're counting by fives. Remember, by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20. If you need to count up from the number, then you can use your fingers to count up 5. So we're starting at 210. So our next one would be 215, 220, and 225. Write the number in standard form. 600 plus 70 would be and then we would put our 0 to hold our ones place value. Comparing the numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's see, so we need to look at our hundreds place first. So if we look at our hundreds place on both sides, we have 3. So then we would go look at our tens place. And this one has 0 and this one has 9. So 9 is greater than 0. So you would use the less than symbol because 390 would be greater than 309. 18 plus 2. So we're adding and subtracting these. 18 plus 2 is 20. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 plus 15 is 18. 18 minus 12 is 6. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 17 minus 7 is my trackpad isn't wanting to cooperate with me. 10. All right, use a strategy to find the sum of 28 plus 24. So let's add our tens. We would have 20 plus 20. And then we would have 8 plus 4. So 20 plus 20 is 40. 8 plus 4 is 12. So then we would add those two together and we would get 52 for our answer. Use a strategy to find the difference of 38 and 19. So one thing that we could do to say 38 minus 19, we're going to add 1 so that we do not have to regroup. We're going to add 1 to both numbers. So 38 plus 1 is 39. And 19 plus 1 is 20. So 39 minus 20 would be 19. So our answer will be 19. So we added 1 here so that we didn't have to regroup, and that would make 1920. So we had to add it to the other one also. All right, for our last problem, George has 8 toy cars. He gives 3 to his friend. His mom gives him 5 more. How many toy cars does George have now? Okay, so we have to pay attention to all of the steps of this and decide whether we are adding or subtracting. So he starts with 8, and he gives 3 to his friend. So we're going to take away 3. So now he has, after he gives 3 to his friend, he has 5. Then his mom gives him 5 more. So we're going to add 5. So now George has 10 cars.